Holiday travelers are heading home early to hopefully outrun tomorrow's storm. 22 News reporter Cy Becker found out why many drivers traditionally cut their Thanksgiving getaway short and head home tonight.
Here at the eastbound Turnpike rest stop in Ludlow, homeward bound drivers are assured of arriving in their driveways before the first flakes fall. But what motivated their Saturday night travel isn't the same for every family.
There's 11 of us. We went to visit family in Rochester, New York, and we had a wonderful time, and now we're heading home, and you got to get that extra day of rest.
The Laskowski family, heading back to Portsmouth, New Hampshire after visiting family in Albany, were unaware of the Sunday storm. They always return on Saturday.
Sunday's just usually a tough day to drive, so it's easier to drive on Saturdays.
And it's even better this year.
That's true. Yeah, so I hear.
Talking with a number of drivers, a pattern emerged pointing to a fondness for cutting short Thanksgiving visits with a Saturday night drive.
Because of the traffic, from all the traffic around New York and during Thanksgiving time, and I heard about the storm coming in.
But the storm will be a blessing for a Poughkeepsie, New York couple who plan to spend only a short time with their grandchildren in a Boston suburb, and then heard about the storm.
Yeah, we have a 3.5-year-old grandson and a newborn granddaughter that we'll get to spend a lot more time with.
One thing is certain, by design or by fear of being caught in the storm, travel on the Massachusetts Turnpike Sunday figures to be a lot lighter than the traditional level of homeward bound traffic. On the Turnpike in Ludlow, Cy Becker, 22 News.